G'day everyone, welcome back to Peter Investing, September 12, 2023. This is the US dollar currency update. You can see here we've hit this resistance at 10.466 and it's been bouncing down from there since our last video. Also, you'll notice the Stochastic is starting to turn down, the CCI is starting to turn down, and likewise the Stochastic is starting to turn down. Let me just blow up the Stochastic as well. Now, still in an uptrend, the Stochastic, it's gone past the midpoint and approaching the overbought, but it's starting to potentially turn down with a bit of a retrace possibly. So not a huge bearish outlook at the moment, but just maybe a bit of weakening and a retrace. On the hourly, you can see there more closely, we did project this bearish divergence on the commodity channel index versus the price. Hit that point, that would have been the highest point there since our projection, and it's actually broken down and hit our target area. You can see there those candles penetrated the target area between the 23% and the 38% level, so we may see it fall further. You can see there the commodity channel is still falling off, and likewise the Stochastic. I always like to expand the Stochastic. It's broken down through the moving average and from the overbought territory and starting to approach the midpoint. Actually, you can see there that's the 70 mark and that's the midpoint there, so it's actually well over the overbought. So we may see a bit of weakening in the coming days possibly. So target hit on the divergence, and not sure where it's going to stop, but if it does break below the 61% level of that Fibonacci range, let me just expand that. So that high there, that's a new Fibonacci range. So if it breaks below that 61%, then that's going to be a much weaker signal on the downside. But at the moment, it's still in the potentially a bullish mode, even though it's pulling back and retracing to the downside. We'll keep an eye on it, let you know in the coming days. So to understand how to trade some of the divergence, but also the trend trading strategies, subscribe to our Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies, and commodities. Subscribe, like, and share the channel. Hit that notification bell, and see you in a future video.